Hi, welcome to Make It with Mod Podge. My name's Cathie and today I have a beautiful Easter spring craft to share with you. I'm working with dried flowers to create these gorgeous dried flower eggs. Now these are paper mache eggs and they were brown and I painted them with some folk art multi-surface paint, and then I used Matte Mod Podge with my dried flowers to create these designs. Now I used Matte Mod Podge because I wanted more of a flat look, but if you wanted a glossy shiny look, just go ahead and grab some Mod Podge gloss. For the dried flowers, you can create your own dried flowers by pressing them, or you can order them from craft stores and online. All right, let's make this gorgeous project. I'm using paper mache eggs, but you can use plastic ones too. Matte Mod Podge and some folk art multi-surface paint. First, you're gonna paint your eggs a white or very light color. I did 2 coats of the paint. Then you're gonna be ready to attach your flowers. Now, I purchased these pressed flowers, but you can press your own if you like. I loved all of these gorgeous colors. Now, one tip is to grab some tweezers. This makes it very easy to pick up and put down your flowers. You're going to just coat your egg with the Mod Podge of your choice, gloss, matte, or satin, add your pressed flower, and then go ahead and add more Mod Podge to the top. You can see I'm working from the center and spreading that out. Don't worry if you get a lot of Mod Podge on your egg. You can see here, I have a lot coated up. It's gonna dry perfectly clear and it will really blend away. You can do many different designs. You're just going to continue to add pressed leaves and pressed flowers all over the eggs. You could do them very simple and just have 1 or 2 little flowers, or you could do an all over design. The flowers that I'm using are naturally dyed. If you're using artificially dyed, you may want to test them to make sure that the color doesn't bleed. I absolutely love how gorgeous these turn out. So pretty. You can craft with these. You can display them in some egg stands. Just gorgeous for your spring and Easter decor. Thanks so much for joining me today. I'll be back here next week with another fun project to share with you. And until then, have a super crafty week.